Sorry that the video ended. It just ended. What are these vapors coming from that kid's room? How did you wear that? We visited our dad. It's the mother of our house, and that are that are living, that are kitchen, that are toilet, and that are bedroom, and that are basement. See? Now we're going to play with them. Where don't forget the puppy. We're just going to Tordy. Bye. Yay! Then, then what did we do? I don't wanna be a door anymore. Mwah. Ew! I haven't heard when you treat the Dory. Oh, Tim doesn't want me anymore. He only likes Barbie. Oh. Wait, they got Titi. I'm so scared. What are the others doing? Yes, I'm so good at this game. Yeah, I'm so happy I'm good at this game. Unlike my sister, not the survivor. It's so easy, right? I could play for days without even dying. Right, I love Roblox. I could play it all the time. Right, yeah, I like it so much. Right, I can't even. Oh no, I died. Oh, I can't see the pro now. I'm getting this laptop down. I just died? How? I'm the pro at this game. I've been practicing for hours. What? No, no, no. At night time. Wait, I just went outside and it's already night. Huh, sister, I just got back from tour and it's already night time. I've been standing here for hours. No one knew. Oh, okay. Mom, Dad, what are those fruits and where did Amelia and Teddy get those doors and doorhouse? Where the doorhouse they built their tape and the doors we bought in those obviously. Ah, it's too hard to know. Well, I'm going to my room to sleep. Bye, Mom. Oh man, it's already night time. I don't like that I always have to sleep in the road. I'm making new road. I'm just gonna go over here and make my new road. And what should I do? I don't know what I should do. I can't do this. Oh, dang it! I love it. Now I start. I don't even where I want to go. I can't even see it. Never mind. No, I can see that too. No, I don't need to see. Okay, I'm done with my outfit. I decided to going to sit here. The TV to go to bed. You're right. Hmm, I'm feeling sleepy too. Hmm, oh, where it? Put on our like how we always had to do it, but it's okay. It's fine. Ah, 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 ah! I did it. I don't know. I'm done reading the book. Right, I've been doing my homework for hours. Now I finally gonna go to sleep. I took hours trying to make growth, right? How is it even that hard? Morning. Ah! I, I, what? What that not? I swear. It's one morning when I wake up this morning and going to tears it around. I just woke up and I'm already thirsty and hungry. I'm going to start it. No, I'm going to start it. No, I'm going to start it because I'm holding it. Where the did was holding the pit first. And we bought it. We're gonna start it. Now give me that bit. Okay, fine. Mom, Dad, you've been arguing all night. I couldn't even sleep from your argument. Stop fighting about starting the food. It's not even that important. Right? You can survive with water in a desert. Okay, fine. I'm going to sit down here. Oh, I'm going to sleep. Let's party tomorrow. Uh, Fine. I don't wanna stay up anymore. Let's go in the day from this house. This house. It starts stirring. Mom! Dad, I swear I saw those doors move. Get the death in the door. Stop acting weird. You're just seeing those and you're imagination. Now stop bothering us. Maybe read a door over me. Whatever, I get those three. Oh, that's what the fruits are. They almost, they almost knew me. Red doll and swim. I never been catamaran before. Ah, yeah. Wait, what if we put someone here and did start chirping? Let's do it. Let's not burn those teenagers. Let's burn one of this one. Let's burn the dad. No, please. No. I'm. Ah! I swear. You doors are going inside out. I'm throwing you in the pool for 55 seconds. Oh, we don't understand it. How? Why? You're evil. I don't like to die. It's night time. Ah, now I'm just going to go to bed. Hmm? No. This part 2. It's coming tomorrow after I do the tour.